Hi everyone, this is again your most welcome. Today I want to teach you the pattern of this beautiful Irish crochet lace applique. This video is dedicated to you. So let's crochet together. Start this loop knot and chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Make a slip stitch in first chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Make 20 double crochets in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please watch my videos online to motivate me to make more videos. Thank you very much. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Make a slip stitch in third chain. Chain 1, and make a reverse single crochet in each stitch. Insert your hook in previous stitch and pull yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook in previous stitch and pull yarn over, pull through 2 to make a reverse single crochet. Insert your hook in previous stitch and pull yarn over, pull through 2. Keep going. I crocheted all around at the end. Make a reverse single crochet in first stitch. Remove your hook. Insert your hook in first reverse single crochet. Then pull through. Remove your hook. Go from back to front, then go back. Then pull through. Chain 5 and skip next 2 double crochets and make a back post single crochet in third double crochet, chain 5, skip next 2 double crochet and make a back post single crochet in third single crochet, chain 5, skip next to double crochet and make a back post single crochet in third double crochet, chain 5, and skip next to double crochet and make a back post single crochet, insert double crochet, chain 5, and keep going, chain 5, and make a back bow single crochet. In this round you should have 7 spaces. At the end, make a slab stitch in first stitch 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 spaces. Make a slab stitch in first space, chain 3 1 2 3 chains, make 8 double crochets in this space 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 double crochets, chain 3 1 2 3 chains, and make a slab stitch in same space. Make a slab stitch in next space, chain 3 and make 8 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, chain 3 and make a slab stitch in same space. To help this video reach more people, please like it. I'm glad you found it helpful. Keep repeating. At the end of the round, chain 3 and make a slab stitch in last space. Make a slab stitch in first stitch. Make 2 single crochets in this space of first petal, chain 2. Make 4 double crochets in next 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4, chain 3 and make a picket. Make 4 double crochets in next 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4, chain 2 and make 2 single crochets in last space of first petal. Make 2 single crochets in first space of second petal, chain 2 1 and 2. Make 4 double crochets in next 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4, chain 3 1 2 3 chains and make a picket. Make 4 double crochets in next 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4, chain 2 and Make 2 single crochets in last space of second petal. Going at the end of the round, make a slip stitch in first single crochet, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for watching and for the thumbs up. We hope you loved this video. Show us some love by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Your feedback keeps us going. We truly appreciate you. Talk to you later.